Have you ever gotten chills down your spine when handing over your financial information online? Yeah, me too. Especially when it comes to free credit score services. Are they some kind of magical financial fairy godmother or a sneaky way to steal your identity? Today, we're diving deep into Borrowell, a popular Canadian credit score service, to see if it's the key to financial empowerment or a security nightmare. Now, Borrowell isn't the only player on the field. You've probably seen flashy ads for similar services promising free credit scores and a path to financial nirvana. But before you get swept away by the allure of a perfect credit score, let's pump the brakes and ask some critical questions. Firstly, how does Borrowell even make money if they're giving away credit scores for free? That's a fair concern. Borrowell isn't a charity, but they're not exactly villains either. Their business model relies on a few things. First, they offer premium features like credit monitoring and personalized financial advice for a fee. They also partner with financial institutions to recommend products tailored to your credit profile. If you sign up for a credit card or loan through Borrowell's platform, they might get a commission. Now, this isn't inherently bad. But it does mean Borrowell has a bit of a tightrope walk to maintain. They need to provide valuable, accurate information to build trust, while also making money to keep the lights on. The key question is, do they do it securely? Borrowell claims to take security seriously. They use bank-level 256-bit encryption, the same kind of high-tech shield used by major banks to protect your data. They also boast about fraud detection technology and rigorous security procedures. Sounds impressive, but security is an ongoing battle, and past performance isn't always a guarantee of future success. Here's where things get interesting. Borrowell isn't a credit bureau itself. They partner with Equifax, one of Canada's two major credit bureaus, to access your credit report. This adds another layer to the security equation. Equifax has a whole other set of security protocols you'll want to consider. So, is Borrowell a safe bet? There's no simple yes or no answer. Borrowell appears to have industry-standard security measures in place, but security breaches can happen to even the most prepared companies. Here's the best advice I can give you: do your research. Read Borrowell's privacy policy to understand exactly what data they collect and how they use it. Check online reviews from other users to see what their experiences have been. Don't be afraid to contact Borrowell directly with any questions you have. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to trust Borrowell with your financial information is up to you. But by being informed and asking the right questions, you can make a smart choice for your financial future. Remember, free credit scores are great, but not if they come at the cost of your peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.